Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can make a loop effect in CapCut app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your CapCut app. And once your CapCut app gets opened up, you will end up in this page where you can start a new project or select a new one. So once you select a video, all you need to do is scroll through the options down below and select the copy option. So after doing this, the video will get copied at the end of the first one. So now all you need to do is simply tap on the second copied video and simply tap on the reverse option. So once the second video is reversed, your first video and your second video will be shown as a loop video. So in this way, you can get the loop effect in the CapCut app. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.